Circular saws are versatile power tools that have revolutionized the world of woodworking and construction. There are many products available to choose circular saws, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best circular saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw is a powerful and efficient tool that delivers 5,150 RPM motor power and speed to make the most demanding cuts with ease. Its high-strength and lightweight magnesium shoe provides job site durability for long-term cut accuracy, while the optimized rubber over molded comfort grip delivers optimal balance and control. With a 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity, this compact circular saw allows for aggressive bevel cuts for a multitude of applications. The 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade enables cutting of 2 times material at 90-degree and 45-degree, and more cuts per charge. Number 2. Skil 5080 to 2001 13A 7. 1/4 Circular Saw. The Skil 5080 to 2001 circular saw is a powerful tool that offers more power and performance compared to its predecessor, the Skil 5380. With its 13-amp motor, it can handle even the toughest cutting tasks with ease. The 15% weight reduction makes it more lightweight, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. The 51-degree bevel with positive stops provides great cut capacity, allowing for precise angled cuts. The spindle lock feature makes blade changes quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the improved dust blower keeps the line of cut free from sawdust, ensuring a clear view of your work. With the Skil 5080 to 2001 circular saw, you'll experience enhanced cutting performance and convenience. Number 3. DeWalt Circular Saw. The DeWalt 7.25-inch circular saw with electric brake is a lightweight and compact saw that is perfect for even the toughest applications. With a 15-amp motor, this saw is powerful enough to handle any job. The electric brake stops the blade after the trigger is released, making it safe and easy to use. The saw has a 57-degree beveling capacity with positive stops at 45-degree and 22.5-degree, and a depth of cut capacity of 2 9/16 inches. The lower guard design improves performance when making bevel cuts and cutting shims, and the integrated dust blower allows the user to clear its line of sight while cutting. The patented tough cord protection system provides 3x durability against cord pullout, making this saw a durable and reliable choice for any job. Number 4. Craftsman's Circular Saw. The Craftsman Circular Saw is a high-performance power tool that can help you achieve fast and accurate cuts. Equipped with a powerful motor that runs at 5,300 RPM, this saw can handle even the toughest materials with ease. The 7.1/4-inch 18T carbide-tipped blade ensures improved cut performance, while the spindle lock allows for quick and easy blade changes. With a 45-degree bevel capacity, you can make accurate angle cuts, and the contoured over-molded handle provides added comfort during use. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Craftsman Circular Saw is a reliable and versatile tool that can help you get the job done right. Number 5. Circular Saw. The Doverman Circular Saw is a versatile tool designed for various cutting needs. With 6 different blades included, you can easily switch between cutting wood, soft metal, plastic, and tile, making it ideal for diverse projects. The built-in laser guide and edge guide help you achieve precise and straight cuts, enhancing your accuracy. For added stability, the saw features a larger base and a metal auxiliary handle that can be positioned on either side. Additionally, you can quickly adjust the bevel angle up to 45 degrees, allowing for more complex cuts without hassle.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.